So I wanted to just explain how our little fob dimmer works. Tiny little controller plus an inline module allows any one of our X1s or our strips to actually dim independently. So being in line, you can actually run that into a 4 or a 2-way splitter if you wish, and it comes with a little controller. Weather sealed, not totally waterproof, pretty much can live anywhere. But if I just press the power button there, got one of our strips just sitting there on display. I've also got brightness control as well, which is really handy, all from the power of just a little fob. So you can order as many of these little fobs per inline module as you wish. One in the car, one on your keyring, whatever you want to do. And it's just a simple case of adjusting the brightness back up, and you've got yourself an on-off switch and a dimmer.